that Sunday. Yeah, I think I was 5, and a voice deep within me told me it was time. Oh, this little girl trembled, but you led the way. And right then and there I heard your voice say, oh, come home, no matter the scars, running to home and into love's arms. It's here, child, where you belong, here in miracles arms. Oh, oh, I'm with you. Oh, oh, I get you. No matter what you do or what you're going through. Oh, oh, I'm with you. Oh, oh, I get you. No matter what you do, I am here for you. I am here. Oh, can be awakened, but then fall asleep. And now it's 20 years later,